Hello everyone, in this video I will show you this tutorial why you cannot insert ad to your YouTube video. So for example, in this video we go to Video Manager after logging to your channel, click Edit in Video Manager to the video which you want to insert ad, click here monetization, and then you see here we can add. This is manually you can insert advertisements. So click insert, and then another one you see is we are not able to insert any ads. It will be cancelled automatically. Again, we want to insert somewhere another ad, insert ad, and then next one, it will be voided. So the reason is here because we enabled ad block, so we need to disable ad block on this page. Click on it and then go down and click on don't run on pages on this site. Don't run on pages on this site. Then this will be opened here. Click exclude. Ad block won't be run on any pages matching, so exclude, and then reload the page. Now we go down monetization and then we can insert ads, insert, and then next one by one. Now it's fixed. You can insert ads as much as you can, as much as you want. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.